Okay guys, this is our cold glue kit. It comes with our long slide hammer. This is a tab saver if you want to use it on normal tabs, but it specifically works in conjunction with our cold glue tabs, and you tighten this down and all day long, and this isn't going to drop on the floor and get your cold glue dirty. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 heads. It comes with our red strong pulling cold glue. Apply it to the head, and when you're ready to take this off, you break this loose, twist it, just give it a little tension down, and she slides right out. This is a fantastic cold glue slide hammer. Great weight, good travel, a plastic nut at the end so you have a nice pop, a soft plastic at the bottom so you don't have that clang. It's by far my favorite. So our Camauto cold glue slide hammer.